Welcome back to our channel WebToTech. In today's tutorial, we will be learning how to log in to Duolingo app. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned language enthusiast, Duolingo is a fantastic tool for language learning. In this video, we will guide you through the process of logging in so you can start your language journey. If you haven't already, make sure to download the Duolingo app from the Google Play Store. So without further delay, let's get started. First, open Duolingo app on your device. Here you have two options, Get Started and I already have an account. Since you are trying to log in, tap on I already have an account. Now you will see the login screen. Here you need to enter the email address or username associated with your Duolingo account. Tap on the respective field and type in your information. Once your email and password are entered correctly, it's time to log in. Look for the sign in button which is right below the password. Tap on it. And there you have it, you have successfully logged in into your Duolingo account. Now you can access all the great language learning features Duolingo has to offer. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.